Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a T-Phone 6 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find the apps, and they should be on the third position. Now let's tap on see all 40 apps, of course 40 in my case, and now tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter Reset Up Preferences, as it is the option we're looking for, and here your device will inform you that it will reset all preferences for the disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps. And basically that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your T-Phone 6 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.